Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to No One Place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at top 3 altcoins to buy in the month of October. So guys, in the past 24 hours, the market has been doing very nice here. Sunday night into Monday morning, we're seeing this upward momentum. So the market is up about 0.66% here in the past 24 hours. Top 24-hour gainer right here is going to be Orchid, which is up about 28.64%, trading around this 57 cents area. Highest volume, like usual, Bitcoin volume is starting to pick up once again. As we left off on over the weekend, we kind of lowered the volume, and now we're starting to get back up to the volume. So 30.2 billion right there. Bitcoin is up almost 2%, trading around the 62,000 area. Very, very close to all-time high, guys. We're about $3,000 away from the all-time high area, which would be insane, and that could definitely happen, in the upcoming week. So, that would be very exciting for us. Ethereum around this 3,900 area, up almost 1% or so. We have Binance Coin that's up 1.77%. Everything else is either down or up 1%, it seems like, with some outliers. Obviously, Shiba is up about 5%. But once again, we had another tweet by Elon Musk that could have potentially caused Shiba to make that movement up here in Sunday night going into Monday morning. So that's an interesting thing as well. He kind of just tweeted some emojis. So, different things going on. Little picture of bunny holding a rocket, I believe it was. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what I believe it was in the photo. So guys, if you enjoy this type of content and you want to see more of this, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. We just hit 44,000 subscribers, guys. So thank you guys so much. Now let's get into it, guys. So the first altcoin is going to be Polkadot, also known as DOT. This one here in the past 24 hours is up 1.78%, trading around this $42 area. We actually went down to lows of about $39 at one point, and then we saw this, continuation here Sunday night into the Monday morning, continue on up higher and higher. So right now, if you take a look here on the 1 week chart, it's up 24%. So Polkadot has been moving very, very quickly in the past month, almost 30% in the past year, 944%. So Polkadot was trading at around $4.14 last year in October. We hit highs here, obviously, in May at almost $50 or so. Pulled back down with the market all the way to about $10 in July. And then from this $10 range, we went all the way up here over $40, which is about a 300% gainer in about, 2 months or so. So in 2 months, we're up over 300% on Polkadot. So if you would have invested $1,000 into Polkadot, you would have made about $3,000 profit just by holding this coin for 2 months, which is insane returns, obviously. That's not something you can expect in a regular stock market or something like that, or a familiar case. Obviously, crypto is a lot more volatile, and the risk and reward is obviously higher. So right now, current market cap for Polkadot is 42.4 billion right now. Volume is pretty much flat. It's the same as usual. Typical hold time is 30 days. Popularity is the ranked number 6 coin, which is insane to think that Polkadot is our number 6 coin in the crypto space, obviously, after Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Cardano. We obviously have now the big dog Polkadot is coming up here, so that's insane to think about. I would have never thought that Polkadot would have been one of these top coins, but it's moving, guys. So 72% buy activity, 28% sell activity. For those of you who aren't familiar with Polkadot, Polkadot is a protocol that enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset. By uniting multiple blockchains, Polkadot aims to achieve high degrees of security and scalability. DOT serves as the protocol's governance token and can be used for staking to secure the network or to connect new chains. Polkadot right here, very close to its all-time high area, around this $50 area. If we continue this movement up here this week, that would be insane, obviously. As long as the rest of the market pushes on higher, hopefully the mid cap and the low cap coins will push on higher as well. But right now, Polkadot I would consider as one of the large cap coins. So as Ethereum and Bitcoin are making a movement right now, I'm expecting Polkadot to continue this movement as well and potentially hit those all-time highs this weekend or maybe in the month of October. But obviously, it is something that's just my opinion and a long-term opinion that I think in the next few years, Polkadot will definitely continue to do well. So that's going to be our first altcoin on this list. Our second altcoin is going to be VeChain VET. So right here with VET is one of those coins that, it's cheaper because it's only trading at 12 cents. So people believe, it's a cheaper coin. But when you look at the market cap is actually at 7.9 billion, which is pretty high, So right here, if we take a look on the one day chart, 2% higher, trading at 12 cents or so. It's been bouncing back and forth. In a 1 week, it's actually up 3.6%. Past month, 5%. Past year, 1,000%, over 1,000%, guys. So this coin last October was trading at 1 cent. We went from 1 penny all the way to 28 cents here in April. Obviously sold off with the market here at about 6 cents in July, and now we're up about 100% since then. So $1,000 would be, made about $1,000 profit right now. So it went from 6 cents to highs of about 15 cents or so. So over 100%. So this coin is, in my opinion, underperforming the rest of the market. I believe that all these other altcoins are booming a lot higher compared to where VeChain is right now. So I think the VeChain is lagging behind and will make up for these, I guess, lags, in the future. So right now, like we said, 8 billion market cap on this coin. Volume is actually 63% higher than usual at 644.8 million. All-time high, 28 cents, like we said. VeChain is a cryptocurrency and a smart contract platform focused on supply chain management. It also manufactures to add, sensors such as RFID tags to their product that can then record data onto the VeChain blockchain. So this coin, I believe in the future, will do very great things and we continue to go higher. If we are to get back to these all-time highs of about 28 cents or so, we will be trading at around 15 to 20 billion market cap, which would be a nice little area for this one to come back to. So that's what we're going to be expecting in the next, 5, 10, 15, or 20 years for this coin to continue to boom on higher and make some potential gains, 100, 200, or even higher percent, gain return for us in the future. So that's going to be our second altcoin on this list. And then the third altcoin, last but not least, is going to be Phantom, FTM. So this is definitely a coin that we haven't talked about on this channel. I guess maybe once we talked about it in the past, but not one that we focus on. And it's making some nice moves. So here in the past 24 hours, it's up 6%, trading at $2.24. In the past week, we're almost up 10%, guys. In the past month, 79.47%. And I believe the last time we talked about this coin, it was trading around this 150 area. So we talked about it one time on the channel. But it's making a great move here, just pretty much in the past month or so, from this $1 area, or around $1.50. Continues to go up higher and higher. In the past month, we're up, or actually past year, 8,450%. This coin was trading at 2 cents last October, hit highs here in May at 92 cents, pulled back down with the market to about 16 cents in July, and then we went from 16 cents all the way up here to highs of over $2, $2.45, which is insane. That is about, over 1,000% gain. I believe close to 2,000% gain here from this level, which is insane. About a 1,500% gain, I believe, if I do my math correctly. That's just insane. Just a return, $1,000, you would have made about $15,000 profit, which is insanity. Which means if you put in $10,000, you would come out with $150,000 profit. Insane gains, obviously, on Phantom. 5.7 billion market cap. This was a lot lower, just about 2 months ago. This market cap was in the, 100 million, 200 million, probably in those levels down here. Under half a billion for sure. That's where we were trading at. And now we're trading at a 5.7 billion market cap. And this continues to boom on higher. Volume is up 94%. Higher than usual at 960 million. So usually it's trading around that 500 million area. All-time high, like we said, at 245. This coin just continues to go higher and higher, and it's definitely going to become one of our main coins to watch in the month of October, and obviously towards the end of 2021 into Q4. Phantom seems like a great pick, obviously, right now to watch and see if we can continue this movement on higher, potentially coming closer to this 10 billion market cap. I would not be surprised to see this trading at $5 or so in the next few years. So Phantom, definitely want to add to your radar, guys, and see how it's going to perform in the future. Now, guys, how is the rest of the market performing? We're going to take a quick look. Solana at 162, up about 2%. Doge is up almost 1% around this 24 cents area. It's pretty much been trading at this area for a while. Then we obviously have Shiba Inu, which is up about 5.4%. It's in the 2s, so it's close to the 3s. Obviously, 3s were the all-time high that we saw recently happen right there. It was around like 3.5 or 3.700. Now we're at the 2.733 area. So Shiba Inu making a little bit of a move right now. If we take a look here at Bitcoin, like we said, Bitcoin here, Sunday and Saturday actually pretty much the whole day, 61,000, Sunday, 60,000 or so. Then we saw a huge sell-off all the way to about 59,000 or so Sunday night. And then it continued to go higher here going into Sunday, closer to midnight into Monday morning. We went from 59,000 all the way to highs of 62,000 here and continuing to move on higher and higher, up about 2%. Very nice to see. We're only about 2,500 away from the all-time highs, which is insane, guys. That could literally happen any second now. We're going to be watching very, very closely for the all-time highs on Bitcoin. In the past week, we're up 13%. Past month, 30%, guys. Insane. Bitcoin is trading at around 39,000. Now we're at 62,000. That's about a $23,000 gain in the past year. This one is up 449%. All-time high, right under this 45,000 area. That's what we're going to be watching very, very closely. 1.2 trillion market cap, which is 38% of the crypto market space right now. Volume is 10% lower than usual, around this 30 billion area. Number one coin, obviously, 63% buy activity, 37% sell activity, and as you can see, the all-time high right under 65,000. So we're going to be watching very, very closely for Bitcoin. Then we have Ethereum here up about almost 1%, trading around this 3,900 area. It was pretty much trading around this area Saturday and Sunday. Then we saw a sell-off dip all the way to 3,600 here Sunday afternoon, and then it continued to rise here Sunday night into Monday, obviously. In the past week, we're up 13%, past month 14%, and in the one-year chart, 926%, guys. Insane returns. We're only about $500 away from the all-time high area on this one, so that's another one we're going to be watching very closely, just like Bitcoin. 458.7 billion market cap currently, 15% of the crypto market space. And as you can see, trading activity is 65% buy, 35% sell activity. All-time high, like we said, 4,362. We're going to be watching very, very closely for Ethereum and Bitcoin to see how the movement is going to happen this week. We obviously have a lot of things happening in the stock market, like earnings. So we're going to see how earnings affect, obviously, the crypto space, because there could be some data that comes out with these companies that could potentially be a catalyst right there for, crypto space and the stock market in general. We have big companies like Tesla reporting this week as well. I believe on Wednesday, Tesla reports earnings, and that could be some insane earnings right there. And Tesla could be, making all-time highs as well. I believe Tesla is actually trading around this 830, 840 area, and we're going to be watching potentially for the 900 all-time high area for Tesla. Very, very interesting things happening this week, guys. Crypto, stocks, everything is booming. You guys let me know in the comments below. What do you think is going to happen in the crypto space? Are we going to hit those all-time highs? Is Bitcoin going to hit all-time highs? And what is going to happen towards the end of 2021? As always, smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.